Having a minibar area in our media room is something I envisioned ever since we moved in. We made it happen with these DIY floating shelves. I'm Gautami from Our Home in Making, and in this video, let's see how to build these super easy shelves you can probably make in a weekend. Let's get started. First, we got these floating shelves from Amazon and they're pretty cool. I can link them for you in the description if you're interested. The brackets are 11.25-inch deep and fit perfectly with a 1 by 12-inch wood piece. However, we wanted to make the shelves look a little thicker than the 3/4 inch thickness of the wood, so we decided to add trim around them. This gave the shelves a thicker look without adding the extra weight. To make the trim fit perfectly in the brackets, we had to cut ½ inch from the front edge of the shelf. We took out our table saw to trim off ½ inch from the wood block, and after that we added the trim around the shelf using wood glue and clamps. We filled in any gaps using a mixture of sawdust and wood glue as a filler. I love this hack because it's free and you don't have to worry about color matching. Do you see how the gap just disappeared? Once everything is dry, I sanded off the edges and any excess wood filler. Then I stain and seal the shelves. I decided to keep the natural color of the pine board and seal it with polyurethane. I applied it using a foam brush and wiped off any excess with a rag cloth. I let them dry overnight and the shelves are ready. Well, almost. We wanted to add a wine glass rack on the bottom shelf, so we screwed it in first. Now, before screwing in the brackets, make sure you know where you want to place them on the shelf because you want these shelves to be secure into the studs if possible. That means you will have to mark the studs on the wall and check where the brackets would fall to be able to screw them into the studs of the wall. For us, there is one stud on the left corner, but there are none on the right. So we place them on the edges of the shelf to be able to use the left stud. Then we used an anchor screw to fix the brackets on right. That's it. Your home bar shelves are ready to be filled up. We love how it turned out, and if you like this video, do let us know in the comments. For more such easy and attainable projects, subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.